Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for Network Simulator, and I'm going to show you how to use a Network Simulator step by step. The first thing I want to talk about is the tutorial guide in this Network Simulator. You just click on the start and go to tutorial, and um, it will explain what the Network Simulator is about, what those buttons do, each button, let's say what the reset button does. Everything is explained here. If you, for all those new users out there, don't worry, just go to the tutorial and have a read. It will explain in detail. So yep, if you want to know more about us, just go to the help and click on about. You can see our logo and our Java compiler version, and here is our website and our Facebook page. Do visit our website to download the technical manual and user manual. In the technical manual, you will get to know more about our program in details, as in classes, how the program works, how the algorithm works, etc., etc. So user manual is like a guide, like a tutorial. Yep, everything is available on our website, so do visit our website and I will get started. To create a transmission, you need to create nodes. You need at least 2 nodes and 1 router, but I'm going to create 2 nodes and 2 routers. To create a node, you click on the create button down here, and you click anywhere on the workspace, anywhere. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to name it a PCA since I'm going to make a PC. So you choose a type PC and click yes. PC will be colored in blue and router will be in black. I'm going to create another PC down here. Let's just name it PCB. I'm going to create 2 router like I said. I'm going to create a connection to make a transmission. So PCA to router 1, 100 Mbps. Too long, I think. I'm going to make it 10 meters. Connect to PCB to router 2, 100 Mbps, 10 meters. Connect router 1 to router 2, 150 Mbps. Let's just make it 40 meters. Yep, as you can see, you can drag the thing. You can drag it anywhere on the workspace. They all are draggable. And once the PC is connected to the router, you double click on the PC icon. You will see the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server. All the things will be here, all the IP configuration. And just now I choose the bandwidth speed to 100 Mbps. If you change your mind, you can choose 10 Mbps here again, but I'm not going to change my mind, so yes, 100 Mbps. Double click on the router, MAC address, IP configuration, and queue size. Everything will be here. The queue size is different. You can make it different in each router, so I'm gonna make it here 45 just to be different. And yep, the next thing you need to do is before we go to the setting, I'm going to show you how the delete button works. You can delete anything on the workspace, including PC, routers, and the connection. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to delete the link between router 1 and router 2. So click on the link and click on the router. So you wish to continue? Yes. But anyway, I really need to connect it again. So router 1 to router 2. 100 okay, 100 Mbps, 40 meters. Go to the settings. The calculation is done in complex algorithm, but in this tutorial I'm going to talk generally about it. It is actually like the queue is implemented at each node, and between the nodes there will be a link with the connection speed. And how the calculation works is basically it does two things: transfer packet to the downstream node with the packet transmission time calculated using time equal to packet size divided by the bandwidth. And once it's done, it will send a signal to the upstream node. The signal will be the resume signal for the upstream node to unblock and send the packets again. So it will be done continuously until all the packets are sent. So in the settings, right, you can choose, it's not like you can choose, it's in this tutorial, no, in this network simulator, everything is wire. IPv4, yep. For the transmission type, you have two choices. UDP is either UDP or TCP. If you choose UDP, the application type must be SNMP. So don't worry if you choose TCP, it will be FTP. It will automatically change. The data, anything you want to send, I'm going to type good morning. Data size will be, let's make it 30 MB. PCA to PCB, yep. The encryption type will be in RSA, and the hashing type will be MD5. The queue type is drop tail. So once you create it, it will be shown here. PCA to PCB, everything you choose just now will be here. And likewise, the PC also will be here, and the routers. Like I said before, I'm going to make two transmissions. So you go to the setting again, and I'm going to type good evening, 30 MB, PCB to PCA, yep, encryption type RSA, hashing type MD5, yes. So there's another setting is done here again, as you can see. So this is good to go. Once you compute right which packet is sent to which router, everything will be shown here continuously, but I promise you won't be able to read it, as in this will be done in fast speed. So after the calculation is done, you can just scroll down and read it, or if you don't read it, it doesn't really matter. After the calculation is done, the statistic will be shown here. So let's just compute it. So click on the compute. So like I said before, is down here showing which packet is sent to which router, and I think it's going to take a while. So yep, I'll be back when it's done. The calculation is done. Once the calculation is done, the statistics, as you can see, is shown here, and you can see the chart, how many packets are dropped, the packet chart, and it shows that more than 15,000 packets are dropped. And this is how long does it take to travel to the end node, like packet delivery time. It's shown in chart. And the data set 1, which means the first setting I do, which is transmission from PCA to PCB. Data in clear text, everything you choose is here, will be shown here, and data encrypted is in this form, and hash value is here. Transmission type is UDP, and the more detailed things is the PCA to router 1, how many packet delivery time, how many packets are dropped, and time used. Everything is here. And yep, this is for data set 2, PCB to PCA. I think good evening, and 30 MB megabyte. Yep, everything is done accordingly. Don't worry if you want to learn more about it. Just have a read through it, and if you want to close it, you can click it again if you want to see it again. The last thing I really want to talk about is the blacklist. But to make a blacklist, I think I need to create a larger network to make more routers. So I think I need to reset everything again. So just click on reset. Do you wish to continue? Yes. And yep, it's new again. So I'm going to create 4 routers and 4 PC. It's gonna take a while. And these nodes are draggable. You can drag anywhere on the workspace. I'm gonna create a connection. And 10 meters. Just align them accordingly if you wish. Just gonna make it neat. And I'm gonna connect all the routers. Router 3 to router 4, 150 Mbps. Just an example. Router 4 to router 1, 150 Mbps, 20 meters. So let's say PCA wants to send something to PCB, a PCC. So it can go through from router 2 to router 3, or it can go through from router 4 to router 3. Let's say router 4 is down, and it cannot choose this path. So you have to blacklist it. So let's say the router 4 is down for this moment. Yep, it's down, and this path will be blacklisted and it will be shown in red color. The calculation will not be done in this, the packet will not be sent in this path, which means the calculation is not in this path. So the green line to PCA is available. So yep, this is the cool feature about the network simulator, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and have a nice day.